YouTube, Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Today we're reviewing the Mozeto Tactical Belt. I've owned this belt for about a month and a week. I've worn it several times. I love wearing it with my outdoor camping pants, the ones that can convert into shorts, and also when I fly a plane. I wanted a tactical belt because sitting in a plane for so long with a regular belt, it sometimes would dig into you on your side and stuff. So I wanted something that was still strong, resilient, and yet easy on the body. And seeing that this is a nylon tactical belt, it actually fits around your waist a little bit better and has the nylon to be a little bit more cushioned, if you will, as compared to leather belts. The belt itself, it's a really good quality nylon. I can tug on it and it isn't going anywhere. It includes a little loop here so that you can take the slack and make it fit into the belt so it doesn't snag on anything. The buckle is the best design though. This is purely all metal basically, so this isn't going to get broken. It's not a cheap plastic one. I know I bought a tactical belt way in the past on eBay and it was basically plastic, so I should have known what I was getting into, and it broke in like no time. So to detach it, you just push the sides here and it slides right out. Again, all metal construction, very durable, and then you slip it back in and it snaps in, and if I tug on it really hard, it's not going anywhere. So it is a very good tactical belt. As far as the stitching, I know it's black and it's hard to see, but the stitching does not come apart. And I've worn this thing quite a many number of times before I did this review because I wanted to make sure I tested its durability. It looks just like the day it was bought. So definitely highly durable and definitely a good belt. Let's try it on. Here's the buckle. And I already adjusted it to my size, but it's easily adjustable. Just has this loop here. If you did have to take that buckle off, it comes off really easy and you can put it back on. But it will stay locked in position as soon as you adjust it. And you just easily snap in the buckle like so. Pull it back after, keep this in the center, and then tuck away the excess nylon over here. If you have a problem with having the excess, by the way, you could just cut it off, tailor it to your size, and it has that little band on the side right here, so that we just tuck it in and have it there. So overall, the belt looks really good, and it definitely fits and keeps everything held in place. Let's see what it looks like when you have something that you're gonna have hanging from your belt. I have the monocular case on the side. I put it right in the tactical belt. It's not going anywhere. If I move around, it's staying right where it should. I can jump up and down. The tactical belt is not loosening up at all, and it's holding everything really still. So excellent for hiking. Definitely can do holsters or anything, military type deal. This belt will do it all. Just to let you know, this does come in 4 colors. This is the black version. They also have like a military green. They have a gray gold, which is kind of like, I would say, a lighter green, more of an olive green. And finally, they have what they call a model color, which has little speckles on it, but it's black in the background, kind of like a gray specks with black background. Again, it's an excellent buy. Definitely the best tactical belt I've used, and you know, I'll be using this forever with these hiking pants when I go out camping and stuff. And when I fly my Cessna 152 that I rent, this does not dig in at all, which makes it very comfortable to wear, especially for a couple hours in the plane in a constant sitting position with a leather belt that sometimes gets you on the sides here. So let's go with pros and cons here. Pros. The nylon material is very strong. The stitching is very good. It's all metal construction on the buckle, and it's easy to undo. You just push these little brass tabs and it opens up. It's also easy to detach the buckle to attach anything that you want to put on the belt. And it's really easy to put back on as well. And it's very secure. So those are a lot of pros, but I gotta be honest with you, it is a really nice tactical belt. Cons. I don't think there are any cons to this. I mean, it fits right through all the belt loops and everything. It's not thin like other tactical belts, and it comes in many different colors. So the only con I probably would throw out there is maybe that they don't make a tan color and other colors as people might need, but you know, they give you an option of 4, and it's built very well. So if you'd like to purchase your Mozeto Tactical Belt, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your own. Every purchase helps support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate everything you do for us. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.